Hello, my name is Zia Lin, and today I'll be presenting about my one-to-one coursework one. A company which I have chosen is called Keep. Keep is a fitness application developed by the Beijing Calorie Technology Limited. Basically, it is a fitness app, and our Beijing Calorie is founded by Mr. Wang Ning in the end of 2014, and Keep was launched in 2015 by the company's team. And Keep is a free app that provides home workout trainings. There are online fitness instructions, diet guidance, sports communities, and users can also purchase sports equipment, also as anything related to the sports, such as protein powder and stuff like that. So our product, why Keep? It's a home workout trainer. Our product provides a perfect platform to work out at home. Everything is flexible and tailored for users. A workout for me and workout for some of us will not be the same because we will have different goals to achieve. And users can access free workout routines, video guidance, personalized training plans, and many more. And users can also track and share their results on the platform we have on Keep. So the customer pain for us is definitely the to maintain the user stickiness because not everyone is very motivated and sticking to the fitness. And it is also there are also other apps available which provide the same services such as Keep. And then we too have to face the difficulty on turning internet traffic into purchasing power. So here are the solutions for us to tackle the challenges. We can build a community to allow users to share and interact, to share their moments and fitness stories, such as success story. Like we can have people who have used our app, lost weight and stuff like that. And we will also invite celebrities as our guest coach to attract users. So we use celebrities coach, and we will also launch a series of fitness products catering customers' needs, such as the sports bracelets. And the market overview, the e-services fitness market is very promising in China. From the focusing on the left, we can see the revenue for both wearable and apps continue to grow steadily, and these are all in million US dollars. So both are going like up. And the number of online users in the market also increases, especially with the larger proportion of app users. So this is based on online market research. Keep is the most successful application in China, the sports application in China. We have the most monthly active users compared to all our competitors. We almost double the second place, as we can see, is the Mi Fit here. And total funding. So by securing the total funding of $187 million, we witnessed great success in 2018. We started to have a positive profit margin at 3.36%, and the revenue reaches $28 million. And the company has four main incomes models, not only from the application, but we also have income from selling fitness products, advertising commission income, the application membership charge, and we also have the offline gym, so like the physical gym. As we can see, our the main business model which is making us more money is from the selling of the fitness product, which made over 1 billion worth of sales in 2008 by 2018. So why would you invest us in the? It is the number one sports app in China, and in this growing market with huge potential, every smartphone owner can be a potential user, and there are so many reasons to invest in us. Uh, we will be continuously be working on creating a sports ecosystem with technology interconnection. Keep aims to convert Keep from a fitness app to a sports brand, and we'll make Keep a lifestyle instead of just a application. So this is the end of my presentation, and thank you everyone for listening, and these are the references.